What?
Very cool cars in there.
This place is actually insane. A buddy of mine, Trey, actually works here. So it's pretty cool to see and actually see like my low-key dream come to life.
Oh, hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, well, let's see what's going on here. Jet said he was gonna be here. Sounds like been busy. Let's go see what he's up to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Carlos, got fucking beef with you, buddy? Zombies pull up? If the zombies pull up, I'm fucking whooping people's ass with this shit. Nah, this is crazy.
I'm gonna punch my dashboard with that shit, bro.
Alright, so what's the word?
What the fuck is up? It's like 8 hours later. We finally here. Josh showed up. A little busy. So what we doing today, Josh?
So today, I guess we're doing the brakes. We're doing we're doing the springs to your car. We're lowering his car apparently.
Yeah,
so I'm here to help him out
we're
with
gonna
that.
slam the shit on coilovers.
Yep.
Cheap coilovers. Facebook Marketplace special. $100. Some crackhead on East Main.
Y'all tell anybody I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
You know the vibes, like we out here. So yeah, Josh again doesn't know what the fuck he's doing
I don't
at
know
all.
shit.
Me, Carlos, and Arkel are gonna walk him through it. So y'all ought to witness this. You're probably asking why. Looks fucking cool. Now, when it's lower, I personally like how stable it feels. It feels stiff.
What?
Everything is, planted. You can hit a corner going 90. Don't do that. I don't do that. My car's always broken. I can't. But yeah, that's the kind of the goal of it. You want a little more stability. Everything feels a little more comfortable when you're moving a little bit faster.
Alright, hold on.
So long story short, I don't even know what we're supposed to be doing.
The bolt on the bottom of the strut.
Yeah.
You know the two that hold on to the actual, like the whole spindle assembly? We're taking those off, and then we can drop the, we're gonna drop the whole control arm and that whole leg.
Alright.
It's coilovers, it's not rocket science. I'm just an idiot. Alright, so this is the hard part. I'm gonna need a shoulder one. I'll be back.
He's supposed to be leading me. He's supposed to be leading me. So this bad boy right here?
This serves as, we're gonna hold this nut on this side.
What?
That one.
Wait.
You see how we're taking the
Oh,
bolt out?
yeah.
There's another nut on the side over here.
Oh.
So we have to
alright.
hold that so the whole thing will come out. We're gonna see you put that one on the other side.
Okay. Ah, I hear what you're saying, bro. I hear what you're saying. I got you, bro.
You gotta hold it. You're gonna put that onto there.
Yeah, alright. Locking and loading. That's a little silencer, bro.
Hey, yo!
Oh.
Yeah.
You get a nice little view of my legs, you know? I work hard for you. Jesus
We're gonna
Christ.
switch shifts. I'm gonna go roll up a nice little spliff. So Arkel's gonna tag in for me.
What's up already? Yeah, I took one.
Where'd you guys leave off? So the design of it is different from the normal one. Remember, you want it snug as hell too.
Yeah, that's one. You taught me that, so.
18?
18.
Yes, sir.
So the same concept. Hold on it with one.
Well, for these, so the reason we had to do that with the top bolt is, you see how it's set up like this?
Yeah.
It's different. This one is just like a regular bolt straight up.
Oh,
You
so
can just-
I can just take them off.
yeah, just take them off.
Okay. I use this. Can I use this?
You could, or we'll see. My first thing, I always see power tools will fit. There's a reason you invest money in these, and boom, it fits. And since this car is rusty and 30 years old,
We need to
gotta
spray
break
some
it up. Yeah, we gotta spray it too. But
You gotta spray it down.
spray it down, get Shorty a little
Spray
bit
it
wet.
Oh, say like
I'll spray the down gladly. She creaming for me.
Hey, yo.
So just like general reference, 3/8 is like normal, like common size. That's the size of this. What you got in your hand is a half-inch
That's a
breaker bar.
What?
The sole purpose of it is for tough bolts.
Ah.
Yeah. So
because you're trying to break the thread that's there right now.
Bro, I'm not focused on this. I'm focused on getting the job done.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm focused on doing this for my mom. God damn.
Hit up Josh for all your struts and suspension needs from now on.
God damn, bro. I mean, this is crazy.
You said you're trying to get fucked with some soup?
What?
Oh, yeah, dude, that's what he said.
Trying to get fucked, bro. You would have thought the only Asian here would have understood you, but yeah, sorry, buddy, it wasn't me.
Teasing rain for the last, like, hour.
Bully G phase of this.
Right? Teasing rain.
Before you gotta go unlock your pair of black forces, you gotta wear these forces. If you guys are tired of us going back and forth for tools, Cash App in bio, help us get a toolbox.
So I just feel like I'm attaching silencers to everything. I just feel like, I feel like fucking John Wick. Like I'm about to go. What are you talking about, Carlos?
A few moments later.
Oh, I think that's why.
Yeah, space is always the biggest issue. Or use the shorter socket. So this 18 right here, that should be 18, yeah. Oh wait, but this doesn't fit. Never mind, do you?
You know I'm locking and loading, bro.
Talk that shit. Yeah, that's right.
I'm a ratchet bitch. I'm a ratchet hoe.
We love the ratchets, bro.
Eventually.
Gonna blow my whole suspension.
I'm like, I'm like, it took me 5 years.
But you did it, Josh. You successfully took off the bottom portion of a strut.
But it's not off
Then that's what I'm about to show you.
though. So, all right.
Just don't fully loosen them all the way. Loosen them just a little bit so that way it breaks the thread and it's loose. And then unbolt them off.
Oh, it is a
and then separate it off.
So that's the only 3 things. Whole strut.
I'm a hand D-man. I'm helpful.
That was it.
Wow, this is... Whoa.
Boom.
Damn.
So that's the whole assembly.
It's like RC cars, bro.
Yeah. Now,
It's like an RC car, bro.
we're
RC
gonna
drift car.
take the front left side.
He wants to get RC drift cars?
Yeah. So remember when I said I bought these for $100 from a crackhead? Yeah, this is why. Bro said that he just had to roll his car into the paint booth because he had Broadway Statics on the way. I couldn't even afford to talk to him after that point. So I picked up these shitbox Racelands with Max PP rod top hats, and we gonna hope it fits. The plan is to get this in so we can pop these collars off. Bottom one's off, the top one's, well, I don't know if you can see that.
The Ross PP what?
Max PP rods.
The Max PP rods.
Yeah, it's Max PP rods. That's the nickname they
Listen up. Aim for the
Listen up.
Max PP rods.
get the Max PP rods, boys.
They'll hook you up.
Oh, what are you talking about, man?
So now is the fun part.
It's all Jet's turn now. Yeah. I did the heavy lifting apparently.
Tell them, do your own shit.
Dude, do your own shit, bro. I'm not here for free labor.
Oh, that's gonna be fucked. Oh yeah, this is gonna be it's nuts. Alright, let's get it.
What happened, bro?
This is the goal here, boys.
Look at the top difference in of itself.
Even the bottom, too?
In height. So imagine how it already sat before and take away about
4 inches?
About like 4 inches, yeah.
I can tell 4 inches by eye. Trust me, I'm a doctor.
Really, nigga? Bro, you're gonna drop this shit 4 inches?
I was gonna drop it more.
You putting on the one with the clap spring?
He said, I'm
Yeah,
not
this is
scared of
part-
potholes, they're scared of me.
You don't got a spring to replace?
That's the goal eventually. I just want to see this shit on its nuts.
Alright.